Look, let's cut to the chase. Traditional marketing is bleeding out, and it's not just because people are tired of ads or spammy emails. The real problem? It's because it's broken at its core. Founders, investors, leaders, you know the game. You pour money, time, resources into marketing campaigns that barely move the needle anymore. You watch your CAC skyrocket and your engagement tanks. You feel stuck, like you're spinning wheels in mud, wasting energy on things that don't create real connections or real growth. It's frustrating as hell. Traditional marketing serves the system, not the customer. It's a broadcast, a megaphone shouting into the void, hoping someone hears it. But people aren't dumb. They tune it out. Outbound doesn't work like it used to. And your biggest mistake? Thinking you can just tweak the old formulas and get old results. That's delusional. You need to stop chasing ghosts. Here's the truth you need to hear. Product-led growth isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's the only way forward if you want to build something that actually lasts. It forces you to flip the whole script. Instead of pushing messages, you build a product so damn good that it sells itself. You let the product pull people in, keep them hooked, and inspire them to bring others along. That's growth that scales without burning money. If you're feeling overwhelmed, like you're caught in the middle between stubborn old-school marketing teams and the pressure to innovate, that's exactly where you're supposed to be. Don't shy away. Lean into it. Stop wasting time on noisy tactics and focus on what drives real growth: experience, retention, and virality baked into the product itself. This isn't marketing magic. It's designing every touchpoint around user success, making sure the product solves problems so well it turns your users into your best marketers. Here's how you start, right now. First, prioritize user onboarding so tight that when someone tries your product, they get immediate value or they leave. And you want the ones who leave to come back because you showed them what they're missing. Strip away everything confusing or unnecessary. Next, obsess over customer feedback, but not vague compliments. Go hard on data that shows actual user behavior. What features get them to stick? What trips them up? Double down on what works. Kill what doesn't. Then, get ruthless with your funnels. Look for every point where users drop off and fix it, or kill that feature altogether if it's a dead weight. Growth ships on the speed of iteration. The faster you identify friction, the faster you solve it. Stop being sentimental about nice-to-have stuff that's just padding your product but not fueling growth. Finally, make your product a community. Give your users tools to help each other and share their wins. When your users start improving each other's experience, you've created a network effect that no marketing budget can buy. That's when growth becomes unstoppable. If this sounds like a lot, that's because it is. Growth isn't easy, and nobody's handing out shortcuts. But here's one thing to get clear. Playing traditional marketing games is a losing bet. You want to win, you build product-led growth as the center of your strategy. Forget about tricks and gimmicks. Master your product as the engine of growth, and the rest falls into place. This is a wake-up call. Your competitors who get this are already eating your lunch. Don't be the one who's still pouring cash into cold, outbound, lifeless ads and campaigns that don't stick. Build a product that hooks users so deeply they grow it for you. Build onboarding they can't quit. Build feedback loops that never stop improving the experience. Build a community that keeps pulling new users in. Do it now, do it loud, or watch the market leave you behind. The future is product-led growth. The question isn't if it will replace traditional marketing. It already has. And the only question left is whether you're ready to make the shift or get left on the sidelines forever. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.